What's up, everybody? It is Semi, aka Junior, here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Cause trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel. Alright, guys, so today I got another great video for you, and you know what day it is? It's Wednesday. So what that is, Wednesday websites. I got a great website to show you today, guys. It's an awesome website for all my photographer people that want to learn how to take perfect photography. It is an awesome website. I was playing around with it for a little bit, and I think it's awesome. I'm a person that I do want to take some courses in photography so I can take perfect pictures and awesome pictures. I just haven't had the time. And how I learn how to take some pictures, sometimes I'll edit and everything, is through YouTube University. You know, so I mean, this is a great website that I have loaded right behind me that shows you lessons in how to take pictures with exposures, apertures, all types of settings, everything that I think is a good website. I know this is a website I'm going to be using more to learn more about photography, how to take good pictures. And for my people that are trying to learn or improve their photography, this is awesome for you guys to check out. So the website right behind me is called Photoskop. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's Photo, S-K-O-P. So that's what I say, Photoskop. So let me go and shrink myself down so we can get started and you can see the website. I will keep a link to this website down below so you guys can check it out anytime you want. But this is the website. As you see, photography, learn interactively. And it's a step-by-step tutorial guide. It shows you a lot, guys. From what I've checked out so far, it's very awesome. So this is the main page here. So if you want to come here, all you got to do is do Photoskop.com, and it'll take you right here, and it gives you all interactive player and everything. I did play with it. It's very interactive, which is awesome. It tells you everything you would need, even with phones, guys. If you want to do mobile photography, it gives you options there too, which this is something my wife would enjoy more than I would on the mobile side. She likes to take pictures on her iPhone a lot, which is awesome. It has lighting techniques. It has a lot of stuff here, guys, that you guys can check out. Look at that. You want to fill in, key out, a lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff you can check out. I'm just showing you the main screen, how to take pictures and everything. So let's go back to the top. All right, so this is the home page. So you got lessons here. In lessons, you can pick a subject you want to learn how to take. You want to learn about attribute, exposure time, ISO, sensitivity, exposures, depth of field, white balance, and focal length. There's a lot of options here. This is all tutorials right here, guys, you can check out. So let's say I want to work on exposure time. Let's check. So it'll show you only videos on exposure times here, guys. So I want to do this light trace. This is pretty cool. I've seen this before. I had a friend back in high school that he was very heavy in photography, and he showed me how they do this. This is just you letting your lens open up for a little bit longer, and then you're just doing it. I mess around with it. I'm not as good, but this will give you an option how to figure it out more, perfect it better. So you click on here. This lesson is coming soon, so it's not available yet. So let's check out another lesson. Playing in the dark. Let's just do this one. So it tells you everything that you need to do here. Like, it gives you some options and settings here. You can read through this, and once you're ready, hit start. Once you start, it tells you everything step by step how to take a look at this, guys. So you just follow the steps here. You read through everything, learn it more. I think it's very detailed, which I like. Gives you a lot of explanations. And then if you hit next, it'll take you to the camera. Once you learn everything in there, it'll take you to the camera, and it'll load it up. Once it's loaded up, you can mess with the settings and everything. It'll tell you if you did it right or wrong, which I think is pretty cool. So capture aperture value, expose time, and ISO sensitivity. So these are the three settings that you will mess with here. Like if you mess with this, you can mess with this here. Boom. See how it changes? So you can see what difference does it make every time you mess with something. So if I go here, I'll tell me to go back here. So I think I did too bright. All right, in the dark. Let's see. That's good enough. And if you mess it here, you can see the difference in it. And shutter speed. Look at that, guys. And again, it's telling me that I'm doing it too much. It's fine. And then you go here. You can mess with everything, guys. Learn how to use it. All right. So boom. You can zoom in and off. Look at that. Zoom in the object. You see how, and you could tell you exactly how everything looks in every section. Awesome, guys. And then you hit next. Once you complete this lesson, you go to your next lesson here, and you so on and so on, guys. Very, very simple. I'm not going to go too much more into detail in this, as I haven't explored that deeply. But what I've explored so far, I think is a very, very cool tool to have. If you're into photography or want to get into photography, this is a great way to start your base on. Unless you're going to go take a full photography class, which I'm still going to take because I want to interact with people and actually show me hands-on how to do it. But this is a great starter for anybody who wants to get into it, or you want to tighten up your skills. This might help you a little bit as well. I think it's a great website, guys. In my personal opinion, it's awesome. This is something I've been wanting to get into, and I'm glad I ran into this website because this is awesome, 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 in my personal opinion. But guys, that's all I want to show you today. I think this is a great thing to check out. If you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never, ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.